What's the meaning of Consumer Prices Index? Consumer Prices Index. Consumer Prices Index.
Consumer Prices Index. Consumer Prices Index. The Consumer Prices Index, CPI, is a measure of the average price of goods and services that households buy. It is used to track inflation, which shows how much prices have increased over time. The index is calculated by measuring the changes in the prices of a basket of consumer goods, including food, housing, clothing, and transportation. The CPI is an important economic indicator that is closely monitored by policymakers and investors because it can affect interest rates, government policies, and financial markets. Overall, a higher CPI indicates that prices are rising, while a lower CPI indicates that prices are stable or falling.